Welcome everybody. This video is a culmination of my 1 year of self-taught programming. I initially got into programming for data analytics, but as my programming journey progressed, my skill sets grew beyond just data analytics. Now I enjoy the ability to create my ideas. I'm excited about how my focus has shifted and where this path in programming will take me next. Create and participate. When I refer to create, I'm highlighting my aspiration to bring my innovative ideas to fruition through programming. Participate underscores my commitment to lifelong learning in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, continually refining my programming skills, adapting to new innovations and industry shifts. Whether I'm employed in the field or working on personal projects, my focus remains the same: to evolve my skills and create something impactful. Jobs are important, but they're just one part of my broader journey in programming. Was this easy for me? No. Did I get frustrated a lot? Yes. Did I quit? Yes and no. My GitHub profile is a reminder of how far I've come because I didn't quit. I took CS50, Introduction into Computer Science, which is a free online course offered by Harvard. And the first assignment was to build a program using a language called Scratch. Immediately, I wanted to create this grand first project with no prior knowledge of programming, and it led me to being overwhelmed, and I stopped there. But when I returned, I came with new mindset and stronger determination. I successfully overcame the obstacles, and it led me to developing skills beyond my expectations. The gaps this year is when my courses ended and I had to learn how to set up my own local development environment and get familiar with using Git. Also, most of my programming was done on weekends only because I still worked full-time. During the first 6 months, I completed 3 distinct online courses offered by Harvard, focusing on Python for its robust capabilities in data analytics. I also sought fundamental knowledge in artificial intelligence, particularly machine learning, to align with my future project goals. For my capstone projects, I developed an API that interfaced with a web form, processing and returning a user's input. I also created a basic web application for tracking workout routines, incorporating JWT tokens and CRUD operations. At that time, my proficiency in HTML and CSS was limited, but I have since made significant improvements in subsequent projects coming later in the video. During months 6 to 10, I focused on personal data analytic projects, specifically in the domain of computer vision and machine learning. This period was instrumental in substantially increasing my programming skills. I designed API pipelines for efficient data extraction and transformation across multiple formats. In addition, I gained expertise in leveraging various computer vision models from several different libraries and training them on custom data sets. Furthermore, I honed my ability to interpret source code, a skill that became increasingly valuable in subsequent challenges. Months 10 to 11, I took a break from data analytics and Python to broaden my technical skill set in anticipation of future projects. I chose to learn TypeScript because of all the libraries and frameworks for web development. While I may not know all the nuances of the language, my proficiency has reached a level where I can effectively utilize it in project development. I made significant strides in my understanding of HTML and CSS, further enhancing my capabilities in front-end development. For the last month, I returned to data analytics and Python. The time off allowed me to come back feeling refreshed. I found new solutions for previous machine learning projects. I employed alternative models and optimized various hyperparameters. Additionally, I explored introductory audio machine learning techniques, thereby broadening my range of expertise. This is a sample demo of what I was working on. In a previous project, I tried tracking a tennis ball's speed from video to analyze a player's power, but ran into issues like occlusion and motion blur. My new approach uses audio to time how long the ball takes from being hit to being received. The aim is to see if this timing correlates with shot precision and a higher win rate. I've got a sample clip where a model I trained identifies the ball hits down to the millisecond. In this short clip, the ball is being hit 6 times, and then my model identifies the hits from every index representing 100 milliseconds. However, this method had its own challenges, like limited system resources and handling edge cases where other sounds overlap with the ball hit. Never stop learning. Technology is always evolving. There's always something new to learn. Build, break, repeat. The best way to learn is by doing. 3. Balance and well-being. It's easy to get consumed by code, but balance is key. You're limited only by your imagination and your willingness to fail and try again. So go out there and build something amazing. Happy coding.